You know what? I am really, really pissed off. When I checked my Things for Change organization prologue, I didn't expect what I got today. So thanks for people who thinks they can mess with the balance of nature. Better be watched barely carefully. I am sick and tired of watching people destroy mankind. And for what? Violating the laws of nature? Just because God gave us the world and everything doesn't mean we have the right to mess the whole entire balance of nature that lies in the balance. We have gone too far. What's next? Destroying nature's preserves and properly damaged? And for what reason? To think you guys are better than what God has wanted us to be? You're wrong. It takes two to tangle people and two that can put a stop to these ass link crimes that we have been doing. I'm here, I'm now, I'm fighting. You either have two choices: suck it up or get the hell out of my way. Nobody messes with the gods of nature and gets away with it. I am sick and tired of all this bullshit about animals and people that thinks they can mess with the balance of nature and life. Ain't flying with me. Get your asses act together. Or move aside. There's better people that can run the fucking government. I don't know what you guys are fucking doing, but it needs to end. Time out.